PTR Palanivel Thiagarajan is an Indian politician and the current finance minister of Tamil Nadu. He is the son of the late PTR Palanivel Rajan, also a politician. His grandfather, P.T. Rajan, was the chief minister of Madras Presidency from 4 April 1936 to 24 August 1936. He was also the last president of the Justice Party. He was elected to the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly election in 2016 and 2021 from Madurai Central. Following his schooling at the Lawrence School, Lovedale, Thiagarajan graduated with a degree in chemical engineering from the National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli. He obtained a master's degree in operations research and a PhD in human factors engineering psychology at State University of New York, Buffalo. He then completed his Master of Business Administration in Financial Management at MIT Sloan School of Management. He began his career in 1990 as an independent consultant in operations and systems improvement. He joined Lehman Brothers Holdings Incorporated. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.